everybody, it's Miss Marie, and today for STEAM Thursday we are going to be learning about something called the scientific method. That sounds really complicated, right? Well, actually the scientific method is just a way in which to conduct an experiment so that you understand what the results are when you're done with your experiment. And even though it sounds really technical, the book we're going to use today to learn about the scientific method is called 11 Experiments That Failed. And it is written by Jenny Offel and illustrated by Nancy Carpenter. And it's just a very fun and silly book. There's really not a lot of science in this book, but we'll learn about the scientific method, and then we're going to conduct a little experiment with some gummy bears. So that sounds fun. All right, here we have some blueprints on our end papers of the science experiments that this child is about to conduct. All kinds of fun blueprints there. And this book is published by Schwartz and Wade Books. 11 Experiments That Failed. Experiments with food. Question: can a kid make it through the winter eating only snow and ketchup? Hypothesis: ketchup and snow are the only food groups a kid needs. What you need: ketchup and snow. So here we have the question, the hypothesis, which is a guess as to what's going to happen, and then what we need to conduct the experiment: ketchup and snow. What do you think? What you have to do: make a snowball. 1, 2, dip it in ketchup. 3, eat. 4, repeat 3 times a day until spring comes. What happened? Stomach ache, brain freeze, and love of ketchup is wavering. So after conducting this experiment, we find that not only can you not survive on ketchup, it makes you, and ketchup and snow, it makes you really not like ketchup anymore. All right, well, that was one experiment that failed. Little girl looks very sick. Next experiment. Question: what makes fungus grow? Hypothesis: if left in a closet, food will rot and become a colorful fungus garden. What you need: your brother's shoes, bread and cheese, and water. And what you do: place food inside of shoes, sprinkle with water, hide shoes in back of closet, and return in 2 weeks. And here we see the experiment underway. First of all, what do you think is going to happen? Probably going to be gross, right? Yeah. Oh, what happened? Experiment still underway. Oh no, it smells so bad. And the mom is going, where's that smell coming from? The brother doesn't seem to know where the smell is coming from, but there in the closet is the sister taking notes on this new gross experiment. By the way, these are probably not experiments you should try at home. Next experiment, experiments with animals. Question: would gerbils like bigger wheels? Hypothesis: gerbils will like bigger wheels. Probably. There's her gerbil. What you need: a gerbil and a Ferris wheel. What you do: take gerbil to the amusement park. Strap gerbil into seat with you. Hold gerbil's paw. Go around and around and around. And then what happened? Let's see. Gerbil was not allowed on the ride. Too short. Yeah, there's the minimum height you need to be to ride on this ride. And gerbil is way down here. Well, lucky for the gerbil, because I don't think the gerbil would have liked that ride. Question: do dogs like to be covered in glitter? Hypothesis: dogs like everything. What you need: a dog and a tube of glitter. What to do: 1, call dog. 2, cover with glitter. 3, let dog go. What happened? Dog ate glitter. Pink sparkly yard. Ew, yucky. I think the dog had eaten the glitter, and that's not a good thing. And now your yard can be sparkly if the dog goes to the bathroom. So, not nice. I would never put glitter on my little hero. Never. Like I said, these are non-experiments to do at home. It's just silly. Question: can a live beaver be ordered through the mail? Hypothesis: a live beaver can be ordered through the mail. What you need: a $5 bill, an envelope, and a stamp. What to do: number 1, fill out mail order beaver form. Number 2, attach $5 bill. Number 3, place form in stamped envelope. Number 4, mail. All right, so what happened? Well, allowance was withheld until further notice. House declared a no beaver zone. And there we have a little beaver with an X to it. No beavers. And no more allowance, so that she can't buy any beavers. Step 4. Experiments with motion. What is the best way to speed up a boring car ride? Question. That was the question. Hypothesis. Yodeling makes time go faster. Oh boy. What do you need? 1 adult. 3 children. A traffic jam. What do you do? Yell yodelay hee hoo. Step 1. Step 2. Yell yodelay hee hoo even louder. Step 3. Repeat as needed. So there's a child in the back of the car yodeling. What do you think's gonna happen? What happened? Walked to school. Felt like a lonesome cowboy. So there she is, not allowed to be in the car anymore, had to walk to school. Next question. Question. Will a piece of bologna fly like a frisbee? Hypothesis. A piece of bologna will fly like a frisbee. What do you need? Bologna. Looks like her classmates are delighted at her frisbee throwing skills, but I don't know that this is a good thing. Let's see. What to do. Step 1, take bologna off your sandwich. Step 2, aim at a friend. Step 3, shout catch. Step 4, hurl bologna through the air. What happened? Teacher caught bologna with his head. No recess. Oh no, and she's gotten detention and she has to write a note here. I will not send bologna through the air like a frisbee. I will not hurl bologna at a teacher. I will no longer, a friend or teacher. She's having to write an apology note here too. Trouble. Let's move on to something else. How about experiments with perfume? Question, will seedlings grow even if oh la la is used instead of water? Hypothesis, seedlings will like oh la la better than water. What do you need? Pots, dirt, seedlings, water, and fancy perfume. Again, don't try this at home. What to do? Step 1, place dirt in pots. Step 2, plant seedlings in dirt. Step 3, water 1 pot with water. Step 4, water other pot with perfume. Step 5, watch. What happened? Mom cried, seedlings died. She has no more fancy perfume and her seedlings are all dead. Uh-oh. Question, is there a way to make stinky cheese smell better? Hypothesis, perfume will make stinky cheese smell better. What you need, fancy perfume and stinky cheese. I don't know, will it make it smell better? What to do? Remove cheese from plate. Step 2, spray with perfume. Step 3, return cheese to platter. Step 4, serve. So what happened? Uh-oh, unhappy guests and leftovers. Oh no, Mom is so embarrassed that her daughter sprayed stinky cheese with perfume and tried to serve it to people. I don't think that was a good idea. But the dog seems to like whatever's left over. Experiments with household objects. Question, can a washing machine wash dishes? Hypothesis, a washing machine can wash dishes. What you need, a washing machine and dirty dishes. What to do? Step 1, take clothes out of washing machine. Step 2, put in dirty dishes. Step 3, add detergent. Step 4, turn on washing machine. What happened? Uh-oh, broken dishes, broken washing machine, run away to live in the bathroom. Uh-oh, she's in a lot of trouble. She's gonna have to hide in the bathroom now because I don't think her parents are gonna be happy with what she did. Broken dishes and a broken dishwasher or washing machine. Got another question here. Can a message be sent in a bottle to a faraway land? Hypothesis, the hole in the bottom of the toilet leads to the sea. What you need, a message, a bottle, and a toilet. What to do? Write secret message. And look, she's using her mom's mascara to write this message. Held hostage, send mermaids. Step 2, roll up paper. Step 3, place inside a bottle. Step 4, flush. Oh no, definitely never do this at home. I can tell you what's gonna happen here. What happened? Toilet overflowed. Plumber called. Still awaiting rescue. Oh no. This little girl was definitely a troublemaker today. But hopefully she doesn't give up her quest to find a good experiment with a hypothesis and a question and something that doesn't ruin her house. I hope that happens, but at any rate, that was a really fun, silly book about experiments that failed. And now you're going to learn how to do some experiments with gummy bears and set it up with a hypothesis. Are you ready? Okay, for our experiment today, the question is, what happens to gummy bears when you put them in water? That was the question. What's my hypothesis? What do I think is going to happen? I think that when I put the gummy bear in water, it will grow. What do you need for this experiment? Warm water, a 1 cup measure, a 1 tablespoon measure, 4 gummy bears, some Post-it notes. Did I say the cups? Cups, clear cups if you have them. Salt, sugar, and a pen or pencil. Okay, now here's what we're going to do. We're going to measure 1 cup of warm water and pour it into each of those containers. So it's the same amount. Need a spoon too. So now we're going to measure out 2 tablespoons of sugar and put it in 1 cup. Okay. And I'm going to write sugar on the pink paper in front of it. And I'm going to mix it up until it's all dissolved. I'm going to measure out 2 tablespoons of salt. That up with my spoon. I'm going to write salt on the paper in front of it. I'm going to leave this one plain, and I'm just going to put plain water. Now I'm going to add a gummy bear into each cup. And I'm going to keep one just to have to compare this size and the feel of it tomorrow. And now I'm going to let those sit in those cups for a day. I can put these labels right on the front if I need to. Move them out of the way if our mom or dad family doesn't want us to have them there on the counter. And probably going to eat the rest of the gummy bears. And I'm going to check back tomorrow and see what happened. So my hypothesis was that it will grow in the water, that the gummy bears will grow. We'll see what happens. I'll see you later. You let me know what happens with your gummy bears. Okay, bye.